are 15 best Amazon hacks and Amazon home finds you didn't know you needed. This girl stuff organizer is great to have for your bathrooms, your countertops, wherever you want to hide your girly stuff. I like this because it comes in several colors. It's very modern and chic, but you can hide your feminine things in here. So it has 2 spaces, and this little divider is removable if you would like, but you can put your girly things in here, things you don't want out on the countertops or in your bathrooms or on your toilets, but you can still easily reach them and easily grab them. Now, this slim electric plug is perfect when you want to push something against the walls flat. So the back of it is flat. You can push it into your electric socket, and then it has a cord and a plug. So this works great behind sofas, behind appliances. I like to have this when I want to push something flat against my wall or the back surface, and then I can plug up the appliances and things in another area, like under the sofa or behind a coffee pot, any of that. So these work great to save space. These tech cleaning cloths are absolutely amazing. I highly recommend grabbing some for your phones, your tablets, electronic devices, screens. These work to fight bacteria and viruses. It's safe for your electronic screens, and it's safe for your hands as well. Each pouch comes with 25 wipes, and they clean your screen so well. So if you have fingerprints and food and smudges and stuff on your screens, grab some of these and clean your tech with. And this Brita pitcher with a water filter is genius for being able to have clean water right in your fridge. So this one right here holds 10 cups of water, and the filter in this doesn't have to get replaced every 6 months, which is sweet. So you only have to worry about changing this out twice a year. It has a light indicator on here letting you know when you need to change your filter also. And this saves you so much money. So if you do like buying filtered water in the stores, the bottles, you can try one of these as a replacement and save so much money, and it works great. Now, here's another absolute must-have. This tumbler right here is leak-proof. Full tumbler of water, no water whatsoever. And then when you're ready to drink, all you do is lift up that and the water comes right out. So I love this one. It's a simple modern, and the way you close it is you just push this little tab down and it locks it, and it becomes no leak. So comes in a lot of colors. This one's the raspberry ripple that you can grab. If you do want this, you can snag this too. Another organizer you can grab is this organizer for bows and headbands. It's really cool because you can hang it up and you can store a lot on here. So if you've ever wanted to see all your kids' color bows, headbands, or hair accessories, you can grab one of these, hang it up, and it has a section for everything. There's a large section for bows, a large section for headbands, or more bows, or clips. You can put clips on those too. And then at the bottom, there are little hooks that you can put headbands on as well. This one's great, and it rolls up. If you don't want to use it, you can roll it up and take it out the way. But when you do want to use it, you can just hang it up, and it doesn't take a lot of space. But at least you can see all your colors and everything you got and easily grab it. Now, another great Amazon home item to have are these leg wraps that you can put on your chairs. If they're making noises and you want to protect your floors on top of that, I found these little ones that you can put right on your legs. They don't stand out, so you can't even really tell that they're on there because I got the ones that are the color of my chair. They don't scratch the floor. They don't make noise. It just makes things so much quieter. Now, the garbage disposal cleaners is another must-have if you do have a garbage disposal. These are great for getting those odor out, deodorizing it, refreshing it, and just cleaning it out in general. They give you a year's supply in the pack, which is nice, and they come in individually wrapped packages. The package also has a calendar on it to help you monitor if you're doing your 2 per cleanings a month, which is helpful, but they do give you a year's supply, and they're easy to just pop down in your garbage disposal and let it do its thing, and you'll see all of that dirt and grime bubbles coming up and going down. If you guys are enjoying this, make sure you do tap that thumbs up button. Let me know you're enjoying it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you have not, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a video. Another great home must-have is the stone dish drying mat. This one is a large one. So if you've wanted to be able to dry your dishes, but you didn't want anything like sitting up on your counters, you can grab this flat stone dish drying mat. The thing about stone is that it instantly dries. When water touches it, it does go ahead and dry. So it cuts down on a lot of mold and mildew, which I absolutely love, and it's a game changer. I'm incorporating this all around my home because I love the stone instant drying mat. But this one is specifically like for dishes. So if you have your countertop and you want it to kind of like stay clean, again, you can grab one of these, and as you're washing dishes, pots, pans, cups, all of that needs to get hand washed and you need it to dry, you can just lay it on here and it literally looks so good on the counters and it doesn't stick out like a big old dish rack or drying tray or whatever. Grabbing you a chalk calendar is a great way to keep your family on track. This one in particular, it comes with markers, it comes with a bulletin board at the bottom, and it comes with a calendar space and a notes section space. So you can put your entire family schedule on this calendar so everybody can kind of know what's going on. It's really great, like when games and doctor's appointments and birthdays. And even in the notes section, you can put some groceries you might need to pick up or reminders for yourself, and even stick like pictures at the bottom on the bulletin board too. But if you want a way to let everybody know what's going on, you can grab this chalkboard calendar to kind of help everybody stay on track. This fruit spinner also is another way to speed up things when you're trying to clean your fruit, your lettuce, your salads, any of that. It's really large, so it can hold a lot if you want to clean all your fruit at one time. This one is large, so you can literally toss all your fruit in there and clean it at one time. You can not only clean your fruit, it's a draining bowl in it too. You can drain from it, and there's a spinner on it to go ahead and get all of that extra water off of it too. You want to clean your lettuce, your salads, your fruits, any of that. Another cool must-have is this rice cooker. This is something you can just put your rice in and let it cook on its own. You really don't have to do much to it. Add the rice, add the water, and it does its thing. It holds 1.2 quarts of rice, and it makes ready-to-eat rice in minutes. It's compact, and the pot is also dishwasher safe. And a cool feature about it is once the rice cooks and starts, it automatically shuts off and goes into keep warm once it's done cooking. The rice robot, pretty cool to have, especially if your family eats a lot of rice. Another organization item that I like to have that can help keep your household running are chalk labels. So you got sticker labels that you can put on containers, and then you also have clip-on labels that you can stick on containers and baskets that you can label things with. So great for your pantries, your bedrooms, your closets. I like this set because it comes with both the stickers and the clip-ons, and it also comes with markers as well. But having you some chalk labels is great for organizing with, and it does not break the bank. And you can always erase them and switch them out whenever needed. So if you're using the basket or the bin for something else, that's one reason why I do like chalk labels, is that you can just erase it and replace it and write something else on it. Another item that I like is the auto soap dispenser. So this dispenser looks like a typical soap dispenser. It doesn't look like a automatic. It doesn't look like a tech item. It actually looks really nice and chic. And it's a piece of decor, whether in your bathroom or your kitchen. It's ribbed, and I like the rib texture. But the cool thing about this one is that it's a automatic soap dispenser. So it just doesn't look like one. So once you put your hand under there, the soap automatically dispenses. It's rechargeable, and you can change the settings of how much soap is let out as well. You can get the gel version or the foam version. It's an awesome way to elevate your home. Okay, so the kids table is a must. This one in particular has so many cool features that I like about it. One, it is wipeable, so if kids write on it with markers or crayons, it's erasable, so it's worked great for that. It's also lined with this rubber grip on the edge, so if kids fall on it, knock their heads on it, which has definitely happened in our household. We used to have a completely wood one, and it was so dangerous because our child will fall on it and hit it all the time, and it just became a danger zone. So we switched to this one, and it's been amazing. So the rubber grip around the edge is a safety net. Plus, the seats are more safe too than the completely wood ones. They have the non-scratch on the floor. They can slide. They're lightweight, so the kids can lift them and, move them around. And I also like that the chair and the table is adjustable for the height. So as kids grow up, you can adjust it higher. It can grow with them. So I really like the features on this one. I think it's a super affordable price, especially when you compare all the different type of kids tables on the market, especially the completely wood ones too. I just found this one to be safer, works better, has held up better, and the quality is really good. So they come in a lot of colors too. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video as well.